Oh yes, I just love those old wind-ups on Cork's Big Breakfast. Of course they'd never catch me. Yes.
Now then, it's day 2 for Claire Sweeney. She's probably thinking, well, I've gotten rid of that guy anyway, he won't be calling back again. But here is day 2.
Lunchtime in the employment agency.
Hello, Mac Employment Agency, Personnel Department. Can I help you, please?
Hello.
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 Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hello.
I'm grand altogether. Thanks for asking. I want to apply for a job there.
Yes.
I saw one of your advertisements. It was sent over to me by a cousin of mine.
Right.
You're in Burnley, are you?
That's correct, yes.
Right. There's a job in Burnley there. And I'm kind of looking for it myself, you know?
Yes.
I believe you have a position as a masseuse available. And I want to apply because I'm expertly qualified in that area.
Right. Okay.
It's in the Burnley area now, just in case you have a couple of them.
Burnley area.
Masseuse. Would you check it out for me?
I will, of course. Can you please hold the line?
I will, of course.
Thank you.
Dun-dun-dun. Rub me, say that you'll rub me. Dun-dun-dun. You read my mind, girl, I'm going to rub you down. I'll do it.
Hello.
Hello again.
Hi. Now, I'm just looking at it here. This is the River Healing Centre in Burnley. That'd be the one.
Right.
Now, we're looking for fully qualified therapists for deep tissue massage, aromatherapy and sports injuries. The applicant would require an SDESO qualification
Sedesco,
and be a member of the Society of Applied Cosmetology.
Is that Sedesco?
That's correct, yes?
Is it?
Yes.
That's grand, so.
Do you have one of those, sir?
What else do you need?
You have to be a member of the Society of Applied Cosmetology.
Cosmetology? I'll make no apology to anyone for my qualifications. I'm absolutely top of the game here.
All right, okay, that's excellent here, sir. So we require that you send on, your resume as soon as possible.
Right. I can give you a quick synopsis there over the phone.
Okay, well, I mean, obviously, I would need written confirmation of this. I couldn't apply, enter you in for the job if I didn't have your resume as such, but you can just give me a brief rundown and I'd be able to assess your eligibility anyway.
All right. Knockadiddy Lead.
Yes.
First place, Shelburne Park, 5th of April, 1997. Now, he benefited extremely well from my rub-down treatment. We have a special potion here. It's mostly based in protein, but you don't be telling anyone that now. But he benefited very well from the old rub-down I gave him. He came in first place and we all made a mint out of it.
Sorry, sir, are you talking about an animal?
It's a greyhound.
Oh, a greyhound. Right,
the king of all racing animals.
I don't think that really would be applicable for
But I gave him the deep tissue massage now.
Yeah. Have you any work with humans, sir?
Work with humans?
Yeah.
Well, I often give the wife a bit of a rub down and she seemed to get quite excited by that as well, like, you know. I'd say I have the magic touch, you see.
Right, okay, and you did say that you have the Sedesco qualification, is that correct?
No, I was just, when you were calling out the letters there, it sounded like it spelled Sedesco, so that's why I said that. I never heard of that one, and okay. I make no apology for the other one, but I just tell you that I'm top of the game, like, you know.
Yeah,
I tell you now, if I got my hands now on a young one or a young fella or an old fella even, he'd be bounding out the door like he was walking on the air.
Sir, sorry, what did you say your name was again?
My name is Michael Foley, Knockadiddy.
Oh, I see. Was I talking to you yesterday about a job for a transport company, is that right?
The driving job, yeah. But I thought, seeing as I told you I drove that truck through the window, that I'd probably be disqualified from that one. So I said I'd look at another area of my expertise and I'd try for employment there.
Yeah, I see. Okay, well, I mean, you don't actually seem qualified for the job as such. I mean, I wouldn't doubt your expertise with the greyhounds, but it's not exactly what this job is looking for.
I did wonders for Knockadiddy Lad.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's just if you could send me in your resume, maybe we'd be able to assess which jobs you were actually eligible for, because I don't know now whether you can just kind of switch from section to section.
How do you spell that?
Now is a highly qualified area.
How do you spell that?
I'm sorry?
How do you spell resume?
RESUME.
RESUME.
Yeah, it's your CV, you know?
Oh, as in resume.
Well, there's actually an accent on the E. It's a French word, but your CV, you know, your history of experience and stuff.
Should you only CV? I know it's a CV, Johnny McCare.
No.
I can send you a diagram of that because I have the old manual, like.
No. What I'm trying to say to you now is you need to put down your past experience. You need to put down.
I was told to sell myself over the phone, like, so I'm trying to get you into the spirit of what I'm actually able to do. Magic hands altogether.
You see, I'd say, sir, for insurance purposes, I mean, any masseuse would really want you to have some kind of an official qualification.
And can you massage the front as well then?
Actually, I'm not a masseuse myself now, so I don't really know.
To be much better fun massaging the front than massaging the back, like.
You see now, sir, I mean, that's the kind of thing now that would probably not make you eligible for the job, you see.
Oh, not again. Yeah, hurry up now, because I'm running out of 20 pences here. I'm calling long distance, like.
Okay, but you just send me in your file, right, and I'll decide which jobs that you are actually eligible for, okay?
All right, so.
All right, so Mr. Foley, isn't it?
Michael.
So
Michael
listen,
Foley.
we'll be hearing from you so, Mr. Foley.
Okay, what's your name again?
Claire Sweeney.
Ah, Claire, sure, I was talking to you yesterday, that's right.
That's right, yeah.
Very good then, you've been very helpful once again.
Thank you, Mr. Foley.
If I see anything else now in my line, I might be giving you a call again.
Okay, you might want to decide which line you are and try and concentrate maybe on the one area.
Yeah, is lunchtime a good time for you, yeah?
Well, actually, see, I this isn't my real job. I just cover the phones at lunchtime. So maybe you'd be better off talking to one of the other girls. Maybe they'd be able to help you out a bit better.
But I'm sure they wouldn't be as good as you, Claire.
Well, thanks very much, Mr.
Thanks very
Foley.
much, and I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.
Day 3 of Claire Sweeney on the way later on in the tape. We're going to put her out of her misery.